Parabeac automates the design to development process, particularly for users of Figma and Flutter. With Parabeac Cloud, users submit a Figma design file and generate Flutter code that is then streamlined directly into a new branch in GitHub. What's unique about Parabeac is that we isolate the UI code and functionality code in such a way that it supports continuous changes from the design team without disrupting any of the Flutter code you were writing. Let's take a look at a demo of Parabeac Nest in 105 seconds. Alright, so we already have the app screen that we want to convert on Figma, complete with the correct custom tag naming and constraints in place. So let's go to app.parabeac.com and create a new project, name it, paste in the URL of our Figma file, click Next, select the screens we want to convert, select our GitHub repository, then head on over to GitHub, go to the branch, merge it into main, copy the URL, and clone it in VS Code. Next, let's do Flutter run, and we can see it's the Flutter demo homepage. So in main.dart, we're going to import package, screens, and then the screen.g.dart file, or whatever file path it's under. It should be in lib. Then we're going to go to the screen.g.dart file and copy the name of the class. Here, it's Hello World screen. Back in main.dart, we're going to have home point to that so that it'll show our actual screen file. And let's run it again. There's our generated screen. So next, to add logic, we're going to go to lib, controller, then tag, and add a gesture detector that prints Hello World to the Hello World button custom state class. It's named this because of what we named it in our Figma file. Now, when we tap the button, it prints Hello World. So what if we wanted to change the design? Let's go to Figma, change the color, and change the positioning of the button. Update the design file in Nest, create a new pull request, head on over to GitHub again, merge the newly generated branch into main, then in VS Code do git pull, run the app again, and we can see our brand new app design. And when you press the button, the functionality is still left intact. Hope this gave you a good idea of what Parabeac can do. Learn more on parabeac.com in our documentation or any of our social media channels for project ideas. Happy coding!